Don't you think there's really something kind of wrong with the system?
Nobody says it's supposed to be fair now. You know that college football is not all that fair. But really, a BCS game or a Capital One Bowl game, I mean, what's the difference? A little bit more money to the school or to the conference. The ACC gets 2 teams, and we get 2 teams. Players get the same amount. They get the same amount of gifts and expense money to spend and so forth. So it's not that big a deal. It's just a little more status, like going to a major bowl, I guess, a BCS bowl. I guess there's some status in it. I don't, like you said, we've beaten teams, 2 teams that are going to BCS bowls. UCF is also in there, and but they've earned it, and they deserve to go.
The Gamecocks are not?
I'd rather be in our scenario where we beat them other than they beat us and us go to a BCS game. So I'm happy in the position we're in.
On the season, when you reflect back on your season, what are some of the things that come to your mind?
Well, the biggest thing, man, is obviously we'd like to be undefeated right now, but you look back in the past 3 years and winning at least 10 games in the toughest conference in America. It's pretty huge. It's pretty huge for the team, for the program. So I'm excited and I'm proud of this group.